Welcome to the ESG one-day session. A compact, practical session designed to help you understand environmental, social, and governance principles and apply them effectively in your organization. Go the link to read more. Topic we cover. The course covers essential areas, including Introduction to ESG and its global importance, Sustainability frameworks and management systems, Environmental stewardship or climate action, Sustainable supply chain management, Social responsibility or community engagement, Corporate social responsibility, CSR, basics, Governance, ethics, and leadership principles, ESG reporting or disclosures, GRI, SASB, TCFD, etc. Risk management in ESG practices, Sustainable finance and investments. A glimpse of online session. A quick look into our engaging online ESG session, where participants learn, interact, and gain real-world insights from expert trainer. What you will get in the ESG one-day course. Trainer insights. Live discussions. Practical examples. Interactive activities. Participant feedback. Quiz or assessment preview. You will be awarded a Certificate of Completion in ESG Awareness once you finish the final assessment. Check out some of our learner review. Join us for our upcoming batch. Thank you.